In this video, we will see how to set the monthly spending limit on the Roblox for the kids. So guys, if you want to set the monthly spend limit on the Roblox for the kids, for this guys, first of all, you secure your Roblox account with the PIN. So guys, protecting your account with the PIN prevention for unauthorized changes to the setting include parental control and the spending limits. For set the monthly limit, first of all, log in into your parents Roblox account on your web browser. Then guys, navigate to the settings. Select the parental control tab from the left menu. After toggle account pin enabled to on if it is off. Then enter 4-digit pin and confirm it, and ensure your monthly spend restriction is turned on to access its setting. Okay, so this is the way that you can then. And if you want to monitor, configure monthly config Roblox monthly spending limits. For this, first of all, open your parents logged in. Okay, sorry guys, not for. If you want to monitor the purchase history and notification, for this guys, you simply log in into your parents Roblox account, then click on the option of Roblox icon at the top of the pages. Then guys, select the transaction and the Roblox balance. Then review the purchasing and the spending tab and check for the unfamiliar transaction or unexpected Roblox use, and consider and enabling the notification for the purchase if available on your platform. So guys, thank you.